Hi, so I have created this Meta Ads Auditor, and this is a quick dashboard on how your ads are performing. It will basically ask for your CSV file that you can export from Meta Ads Dashboard, and you can give it to this setup, this tool, and it will analyze how your ads have been doing so far. This isn't deployed yet. I actually ended up working on another system that will give you an indication of which funnel stage your ads are being targeted to. And the idea actually came from this. So I was just scrolling on LinkedIn. I found someone actually creating these kind of dashboards, and I decided to do it on for my own as well. So eventually, I decided to create one of this dashboard for my own clients as well, and it's a very simple setup. I will show you step by step process, but before that, let's go to this file that I have created for you, and this markdown file or this prompting setup is given by somebody else on LinkedIn, but I ended up using my own knowledge and adding some of the nuances. I still need to update it, and I will give you ideas in this video on what you can actually do. Plus, I also ended up creating this ad funnel analyzer. Actually, let me show you how that works. Okay, so whenever you give it like a 30-day, 14-day, 7-day data, it will actually give you tell you how many ads are active, how many ads are inactive, CPA purchases. It will give you this nice dashboard. The most interesting part is that it will tell you that which funnel stage your ads are being targeted to, or these are active or inactive, right? And you can also filter it by funnel stages. You can always like sort it by spend level as well. You can look at the CTR, the purchases you got from these, right? So for example, this 50% off ad is bottom of the funnel. This looks healthy. I can also integrate some AI enhancements there, which can actually tell you how you can iterate on ads. Again, why this was possible is because I have knowledge around creative strategy and advertising that I actually put into this. And it's definitely helping me out, and it will help me out in the future as well. So imagine someone doing all this work manually, which I was actually doing before. I was looking at Triple Whale, I was looking at Google Analytics, I was looking at the ads dashboard, Motion, all of these applications just to analyze like which funnel stage my ads are being targeted to. So what I ended up doing is creating one application for my own use case, and I think a lot of people having will be surprised to see how this works, right? Obviously there are some nuances, some things that I need to update. I actually need to add some API key to that for AI functionality, but from the first look of it, I actually built it in like 2-3 hours. Actually it was doing some changes. I had to prompt it back and forth, and I was able to make it last night actually. So yeah, that's how it is. Let's move on to the other ad analyzer, and let's see how I actually built it. Okay, so before creating any kind of software or any vibe coding thing, you have to decide what is your sole purpose, like what are you trying to achieve, what are you trying to solve, right? If you go to this Notion doc, there is a setup, there is a file that says system instructions. You just copy this entire thing, just go back to the and just go to Google and type Google AI Studio, and you will be directed to this section over here. Then go to build. You can see that I have two applications built in there. You just go, like, open it up and select preview, right? You can also do code, but select preview. And actually, let me try to create a new chat and see, show you from scratch, right? Okay, go to build. Describe your idea, right? Instead of typing the prompt here, you click on this Model Gemini 3 Flash, click to system instructions, add all of your details, and just give it a prompt. Now you might be wondering that how I actually created this prompt, and how can I create the markdown file. Basically, you can go to chat GPT and open a new chat, and what you can do is just ask it to give it your idea, like what you're trying to achieve. That's why I said that ideation is very important. You can maybe create a Google Doc like that. Just go to chat GPT and just start talking to it, right? For example, for this one, I gave it all the details that I had in mind on how I am analyzing ads, and based on that, I asked it to give me a prompt for Google AI Studio that will actually give me the will actually build the code, right? Build the software. That's what I did, and you can also see that I had conversations with them, with this GPT, for deployment as well, because I actually haven't used GitHub before, like this, for launching anything, right? So I gave it screenshots, and it was kind enough to give me all the information. You can see I'm giving it like the terminal errors, the GitHub errors, right? And it fixed it for me, and I ended up deploying the application. It took a while. It was stressful, but I mean, I was able to do it. And I'm the most non-technical person you will ever find. I'm creative, but the technical stuff, I'm scared of that. And if I'm able to do it, I mean, everybody can, right? Definitely there's some improvements, and if you're a developer, you would have more ideas on making it work better into a actual product that customers will pay for, or you can use it for yourself, right? So I actually showed you how to create applications or tools for your daily use cases, and this is a Notion document that you will get access to. Meanwhile, you can sign up to my newsletter, my Facebook group. It's like both of them are free. Plus, I'm working on a paid creative strategy program, which will have AI nuances in place. I will be using these tools and explaining my workflow and how build these things. But that is not for building these tools. It's for creative strategy and how to judge the performance of the ads, right? Because I've seen multiple people working in the industry, but they don't know like what to test, how to hunt for new ideas, how to iterate, right? All that stuff. I've been in the game for almost 10 years now. It's going to be 10 years in the next couple of months, but 9+ years in advertising has taught me some things that I wanted to share with other people as well. Because I get a lot of DMs, people asking me random stuff which is not relevant. Sometimes it's like very basic things. I decided to make a program on it. If you're interested, you can DM me and ask me about it. I also have a PDF, an ebook, a detailed one, that explains this entire thing, but it's broken down into chunks, like into 7 chapters that will tell you exactly what you need to do before getting the program, or that's already included with the program as well. So yeah, if you want to access this analyzer, you can always DM, can test it out for your brand, and yeah, that's it. So here are some ideas that you can use to create products for yourself as well. So for example, you maintain a spreadsheet with all the ad platform data, right? This can be done by Triple Whale as well, but what you can do is create a spreadsheet with all the Google Ads data, Google Analytics data, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, whatever you're running, right? Paid acquisition. You can give it to this platform, and it will literally tell you that how much percentage of the spend came from Google versus Facebook versus TikTok, right? So it can give you like this quick breakdown. And this is an application that you can use, and you can actually extract the report and send it over to your client for monthly reporting, for weekly reporting, right? So it's very easy to do it this way now. Instead, like previously we had to do this API connections and all of that, which you can do right now as well. You can use Zapier and all of that, but this is, I think, easier. And if you connect this with an NA10 setup and send it over every single week to your client Slack channel, I mean, they'll be more than happy to do it, right? I'm doing something for my clients that I work with, but yeah, that's still in the works. Some quick ideas, and I think you can do amazing things with this setup.